Alright, connected the 80 amp fuse. We got power. And got blower motor. So that's a good sign. Let's go ahead and start it. It starts. Alright. So just replace the 80 amp fuse and then get some pump up the tire here and deal with the gas, and it should start. We'll see. See how much gas we have in here. Gas's needle's not working, all the way low. It runs. Wow, it does start up. So now we just need some air. See if I drive back and forward. It drives. Good. Just hopefully it doesn't overheat. And check on the oil.